Hello, this is DJ Slippee, hailing from the Table Tours Academy here in Burnaby, BC. We got another scratch tutorial for you guys today, and we're doing Baby Chirps. Now, Baby Chirps is something I don't see a lot of new guys do. It's more of an OG technique, and yeah, let's get into it. So you're going to start at the top of your sample. We're going to use an ah today. And the first thing you're going to do is exactly what it sounds like. You're going to open the fader, and it's going to be a baby. And then you're going to do a chirp after. So that's kind of the basics of it, but to perform the scratch correctly, there's a little bit of swing in that. That means that baby that you do first is going to be a little bit faster, and the last note of the chirp, you're going to kind of drag it a little bit. So it's going to end up sounding like this. And then once you get faster, you can kind of speed it up and get rid of that gap. And then once you get really fast, you can kind of just loop it. And yeah, so let's try it with a beat. So we're going to start out really slow. Just baby chirp. Once you get comfortable with that, you're going to speed it up a little bit, try to get rid of that gap, and swing the first part, make sure that baby comes out faster, and the end of the chirp is going to be dragged out. And then you can speed it up and get rid of that gap. So that is the baby chirp. Thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope you guys got a lot of it. If you guys need more practice on this tutorial, we have a cut along video that is in the description below where you can cut alongside me and we can learn the scratch together. Cool. Thanks for tuning in and peace out.